Last week we shared a review of the original Vont Bike Light set. In this video, we'll take a closer look at Vont's new USB rechargeable bike light. Vont's new bike light offers a maximum of 250 lumens and has three simple light modes: high, low, and strobe. Its dimensions are roughly 100 millimeters long by 50 millimeters wide by 35 millimeters high. It's mostly made of lightweight plastic, weighs about 3 ounces, and includes a 20-inch micro USB cable. I'm not sure about its water resistance rating, but I did use it in a light rain, so I'd imagine it's at least IPX4. The built-in 2000 mAh USB rechargeable battery began fading after 4 hours on the high setting and took 3 hours to fully charge. When the battery gets low, the blue power indicator light starts blinking red, letting you know when it's ready for a charge. It can also operate while connected to a power bank or an e-bike battery pack if it has a USB port available. This inexpensive bike light is perfect for recreational use at slow speeds and could also be used as a strobe light to supplement any expensive high-power headlight for speeds above 30 miles per hour. I really like the design of this cover. It gives a nice combination of both a strong spotlight and soft floodlight that also allows the light to easily be seen from both sides. The power button is a nice size and gives good feedback in case you need to change settings on the fly. Its micro USB charging port is easily accessible at the back of the light and has a rubber cover to keep it clean. The rubber strap mount has 4 holes and fits most cylinders between 20 and 40 millimeters. The light can easily detach by sliding off the top of the mount, or the entire mount can be removed by the rubber strap. It fits nicely on this 31.8 millimeter handlebar using the second strap hole. At first I was a little hesitant about how simple it would be for an opportunity thief to just grab this thing, but it turns out there's a perfect slot under the mount to semi-permanently secure it with a cable tie or pipe clamp. This light also includes a small red tail light that runs on 2 CR2032 batteries and has 3 settings: steady, fast strobe, and slow strobe. This rear light is simple to mount and gives a bright red light easily seen from multiple angles. We've also been using Vont's new Spark headlamp and are really surprised by how many uses there are for this thing. It's not only great for a helmet-mounted spotlight, but is also perfect for dog walking, night runs, finding things under my workbench, up in the dark attic, or out in the yard. The Spark headlamp comes in a 2-pack, offers 200 lumens max, weighs 1.5 ounces, and has 7 light settings. In order to toggle between the white and red light, you just need to long press the power button. The random winner of last week's Vont Bike Light giveaway is Miss Love to Draw 2. Congrats! Please send us a private message and we'll ship it over to you ASAP. Vont gave us a 10% discount code for their entire store. If you found this video helpful, please support our channel by checking out these Vont bike lights using the affiliate links in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Remember to stay safe by making sure you can always see and be seen. This video is sponsored by Vont. You can find more of their products on their Amazon store page at vont.com or on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Vont is a US-based family-run lighting and electronics company committed to offering inexpensive, smart electronic solutions since 2014.